want to bring you back to the metro now and go back to our Elias Johnson. He is in the Pleasant Hill area. Last time we caught up with you, we were hearing the sound of chainsaws. That's something we're going to get familiar with hearing, Elias.
Yeah, and that's very clear as to why, and we probably won't know the full scope of the damage, but Pleasant Hill taking the brunt of the damage as that system rolled through the metro. This is Pleasant Hill Boulevard, East Oakwood Drive, and you can see why folks don't have power here tonight. We've got lines across the road, and photographer Chris Parsons is going to give you a little preview here. That is a power pole in the distance that was snapped right in half, is now laying into a large tree. And this soccer goal right in the middle of the road, that was relocated from the elementary school just to the north of the road here. And what you're seeing here as far as folks picking up sticks, these are just residents that live here chipping in as Mid-American Energy is trying to work on cleaning this up on their end. There's no shortage of manpower with neighbors that are just out here with sawzalls and anything they can do to cut limbs and trim limbs. But I mean, I know it's kind of hard to see because it's dark out, but we've got a number of limbs just laying down across cars and across the front yards here. Mostly good spirits though, everybody that's out here, and I think that's because everybody's just thankful nobody's been hurt, at least from everybody we've talked to so far tonight. They haven't heard of anybody that was injured, but it was loud, it was intense when it blew through. And you can see, just why, the aftermath now with all these tree limbs down. And again, we won't know the full scope as to how bad this is until tomorrow morning. There's going to be plenty of roof damage. I know that one gentleman I talked to a little earlier, he said that he's got a number of shingles that he was picking up, a patio table, glass everywhere, a lot of outdoor patio furniture thrown all over this neighborhood. It's going to take all day, at least tomorrow and through the weekend, to try to clean this up. And I know that they're praying and hoping for good weather to do so. But we have Bondurant out here, emergency personnel. We got people kind of closing down the streets, a number of people trying to get into the neighborhood, whether it was because they just kind of want to see for themselves or if they actually live here, trying to get a view as to the very strong storm that blew through here just within the last hour or so. We're going to be out here talking to some folks. We're going to make sure that nobody was hurt. That's the big thing. But the good news is it sounds like people listened to those warnings. They hopefully had tools like the 13 Warn Me app to tell them to get to cover, and I think people are mostly grateful here tonight, and we're happy to be able to report that for you. But we'll continue to try to talk with some folks here, some first responders that have some more information on that. But as of right now, it's a mess. No power out here along Pleasant Hill Boulevard, and obvious why with these power lines, Janae, that are all over the place. I mean, it's nice to be able to get a perspective like this and get close enough where you can actually see the damage. But it's really cool to see all these people coming out and grabbing whatever power tools they can just to try to get this cleaned up so we can get traffic back through here and get people their power back here in Pleasant Hill. We'll continue to follow the latest developments as we learn more. We'll bring it to you both here and at WHO13.com. With photographer Chris Parsons, I'm Elias Johnson here in Pleasant Hill. Janae, we'll send it back to you.
All right. Thanks a lot, Elias. That cleanup beginning in the dark, as we've all been mentioning. We'll see more of the scope of the damage and just how widespread it was in the light of day.